The patented AerWay is the original and only true Shattertine aerator. The basis of the technology has been developed through the unique positioning of the tines, not only off the roller shaft, but relative to each other on adjacent rows. In the first plane, the center line of the tine is moved to the rear of the radial line from the middle of the roller, ensuring a smooth cutting action entering the soil and accelerating the tine movement at exit for maximum thrust. Optimal soil movement is produced by leaning the tines away from the vertical line and twisting them around their own axis. The angled and sharpened leading edge of the tine results in the least resistance for the tine entering the ground. As the shaft continues to rotate, the tine cuts deeper into the soil profile, piercing through crust and compaction. Simultaneously, the lean and twist of the tine combine to force the adjacent soil laterally and vertically, shattering compaction and fluffing the soil. As the tine passes through its vertical down position, the twist and lean of the tine cause it to move away from the outboard wall of the entrance cavity and force it against the inboard side, not only moving the adjacent soil laterally, but with the twist of the tine causing it to act like a small spade, lifting the soil. On the soil surface, the herringbone pattern produced by the AerWay is visible evidence of a loosened soil which maintains its subsurface structure to support machinery and animal weight. Another patented feature of the AerWay allows the user to offset the roller relative to the line of travel in small increments. The greater the degree of offset, the more aggressive the aeration process, until at maximum it produces cultivation. Shown here is an actual AerWay roller, set at 7.5 degrees. Notice the soil shifting sideways and heaving as the AerWay tine rotates through the soil. Use of the AerWay recreates the pore spaces and enhances the capillary action, allowing air and water into and through the soil profile. This is necessary to maintain soil balance and promote microbial activity. Soil which has been AerWayed produces the environment for strong root growth and excellent yield potential. While the animation shown here emphasizes the action of the AerWay Shattertine, your results may vary